Hey guys, it's May Siwa and I'm showing you some of my skit video, and now it's just like a vlog video. And I got all of this one, and I will have dares. If you give me a dare, I will give you this if it's good or not, and this one too. And some of the marks that you just have the Hello Kitty on it. And if you subscribe, I will give you lots of this one. If you watch all my videos in It's May Siwa, you got this one, some dares, and I got lots of this one. It's in my closet, in my room, over there. It's my room. And I'm just here outside and making videos, and yeah, I'm just making videos, and I'm just making videos at my laptop too, and Windows 7. I'm just making here too. This is my laptop over there, and making some music that it will do it right for my video, and I'll make some videos here. So goodbye.